was that?
It was the happiest she'd ever been in her life. So I think she was scared to death to go anywhere.
Oh yeah, totally.
So Christy, these people said that they would be willing to sign a waiver,
Oh yeah.
like
Sort
right
of
now.
a huge paragraph.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's okay. Would sign a waiver.
They would do whatever, like they really, you know, I don't think
Like
money's
sign
an issue.
a waiver knowing that like he needs X-rays and blood work.
Oh yeah,
for
we're
George?
bet 1,000 plus. You can confirm with them just to make sure, but the
Wow.
impression I got was that they were totally willing to take him on.
I won't call them until you know the vet sees him
Oh okay,
tomorrow.
you're just wanting to add it there.
Wow.
Just getting away.
Look at the cat. The cat is stalking Pixie. Pixie!
Yeah,
Pixie.
I know, it's really awesome, right? Isn't that
Gabriella or something?
even if you
Gabby.
can manage, wouldn't you
She's
manage?
almost the same size as Pixie
Even if
already.
you manage,
Pixie!
I never take it.
It'd be
How
awesome.
you? Pixie goes a big.
Give her some space.
Pixie, I know, I love you. You're so cute. You're so cute. I love your little bearded face.
Yeah.
You're so cute.
How good is she?
These two are awesome together. Watch out, Christy. The kitten's right at your
We
boot.
should take a
So.
video and put it on his
Yeah.
put it online.
Yeah, that'd be great. She's awesome. The way she
So he's
stalks
fine with
Pixie.
small dogs. Just not other cats.
She just seen
Yeah,
them.
he just don't like other cats.